Do you have any professional regrets?
Not till now.
Okay.
Nothing.
I have regrets on strategic decisions which I have taken in my own startups, which I think in hindsight, and obviously hindsight is always completely, 6/6. So that is why I do not take them as regrets, because regret लेते हैं तो फिर वो mental toll होता है. But I take them as huge learnings for me, that I took some strategic decisions in both of my startups, which ultimately led to where they went. तो वो मेरे को वहाँ पर maybe you can call them regret, or maybe looking back यार वो गलत किया था, उसको सही करना है.
But I think everything works out at the end.
You don't know. I mean, it's
No,
hope.
I feel.
जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक. व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग आवर फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप, इट वाज इन होम सर्विसेज, एंड वी वर नॉट एज वेल फंडेड एज आवर कॉम्पिटिटर्स. वी वर लाइक 1/10 funded as compared to our competitors. So we had to think of something, and after a lot of deliberation, two things came out, that we were in home services. So the problem which we were facing was that there was not a lot of frequency of use case. We were giving electricians, plumbers, carpenters, but there was not a lot of frequent use case. So for frequent use case, ultimately two categories came out on paper. One was beauty at home, and the other was laundry. And we took a strategic decision to go to laundry, which now we know is not going to work out. But for example, if at that time we would have taken the other thing, then maybe the story would have been different, because all the other players who survived at the end of the day took that decision. So now at that point of time, based on everything on paper, all of them, both the categories were looking very similar. We thought, what can we understand as founders? Because for example, I have never used a beauty at home service myself, so how would I build something for a user which I do not use myself? तो ये सब सोच के आपने एक डिसीजन लिया और वो गलत निकला. तो आज मैं सोचता हूँ कि हाँ यार, वो डिसीजन अगर ऐसा लेता तो क्या होता. अब उसको आप रिग्रेट बोल लो या आप उसको एक लर्निंग बोल लो, कुछ भी बोल लो.
My regret is not learning fast enough. I mean, the first business was B2B, very sales driven. Then second business was B2C product. So it took a while for me to really understand कि वो craft को कहाँ पे, like now I know कि I'm like B2C is where I want to be. I want to be in education, but a lot of these sort of variables to come together, it took me 10 years.
Yeah.
I mean, you would expect कि given the academic sort of profile you have had, you would get to those insights about where you are good at much faster, but I sort of feel it took me 10 years, and it could have been.
But now you are working on it, faster learning.
Yes, now also, I mean, it also reflects in the success of the brand, this, that, whatever, right? Like whatever limited success. But
interestingly, both of them have no regrets. So, which means that there is a situation
I would
like
not say regret, like you said.
Career,
in the hindsight,
professional.
There would be some decisions which we might have taken, but that has helped us learn. So where we are right now, if I think of it as regret, I would want to go back, change things. But I don't want to do that, because मेरे को सारे experience ने कुछ सिखाया है.
Same.
I am what I am because of all those things.
No, because our game is different. थोड़ा अपना मैं जो बोला ना, exit वाला game है अपना. It's not an entry game, right? Like in some way, they have to really work hard to make it through, and then they have a much more predictable path. I mean, of course, there is some variability.
So for us, entry is simple, exit is difficult. For them, entry is the difficult part.
And also, जब कोई डिसीजन लिया था उस टाइम की सिचुएशन
हाँ, वो तो है.
वो सोच के लिया था. हाइंडसाइट में तो I don't think we should evaluate या judge
anything.
On a daily basis, we take a lot of decisions. जैसे day to day में आप लेते हैं, तो मतलब even every court case that I dispose is a decision.
Yes.
Depending upon the information I have. But अगर उसके basis पे मुझे regret होने लगे, तो फिर I won't be able to
make
function.
that decision.
I will start making decisions out of fear. Like I said, I don't want to take decisions out of fear.
Very true.